Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is baked sweet potatoes in the air fryer. We will take small sweet potatoes. You see I choose them almost the same size, not the very big ones. I wash them really good with the brush. We will keep the skin. Then I will cut the ends with the knife like how you see it here in the video. So my air fryer will take these 6 ones. It depends how big is your air fryer. Then we will take a fork and make small holes with the fork for all the sweet potatoes. Like that it will cook even and good. So I will finish all of them. Then I will drizzle some olive oil and put some spices. A little bit of salt to taste. And some black pepper. And also some garlic powder if you like it. If you don't like it, you don't have to make it there. You put any spice you like to, but be sure to drizzle good quantity of olive oil. Now you be sure that all the sweet potatoes are coated with olive oil and spices before that you put it in the air fryer. You don't want it to stick. It's a very easy recipe, but believe me, it's really delicious. Now we will take the basket of the air fryer and we put all the sweet potatoes right there. We don't need to spray it with any oil or grease because the sweet potatoes already have olive oil. Okay, and believe me, this recipe is really good. Be so delicious sweet potatoes. You can even eat the skin when it's done. Depend how is your air fryer. For me, I cook the sweet potatoes in 400 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Some people cook it for 40 to 45 minutes, depend on the type of your air fryer. But for me, it's 30 minutes. It was a really good time. 400 degrees for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I will check my sweet potatoes. I take a knife and see if that's soft from the inside. All of them soft. Look, the knife go really easy inside sweet potatoes. Okay, that's ready to serve now. I will take 2, put them in a plate and cut them in the middle. You see, it's very soft. It's easy to open. And I will put a piece of butter there if you like it. If you don't, you can eat it just like that. You see, it's really soft from the inside. 30 minutes was more than enough. It was enough for my sweet potatoes. Try this recipe and let me know in the comments how did you like it. Also, I will sprinkle some cinnamon. The garnish is up to you. You put whatever you like in your sweet potatoes. Thank you for watching. See you next time in a new video and new recipe. Enjoy!